My research is related to different structural biology aspect and focused on understanding the structural properties of peptide loading complex. Currently, I am working on the transporters associated with antigen presentation, and we also studied the immunopeptidome data that we obtained from mass spec at ICCS.
Recently, we received NCN grant for our project, which is detection of premature termination codon in mRNA. So we are going to investigate the structural properties and the network between these proteins. Mainly, we are focused on cancer biology aspects, but recently we also are going to study different COVID-19 proteins. We target this protein by novel drug molecules, and we, with the help of our collaborating group at University of Edinburgh, we found 25 novel hit molecules. So furthermore, we are going to investigate the chemical synthesis of these drug molecules.
My project is carried under joint supervision of Ted Happ and Irena Dapic. My research interests focus on different types of cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. I use novel approach of combining mass spectrometry and cancer biology. My aim is to investigate the role of CHIP ubiquitin ligase as a protective agent in neuronal cells and its pathogenic mechanism in different types of cancer. I have recently discovered new biomarkers in a cancer model, which will be published in a paper I am currently working on.
Cancers have their own genetic makeup. Once we compare mutations in human and canine cancer cells, we discover significant analogies. So here is the point where my scientific work meets the veterinary degree. I am a trained veterinarian, and I have a PhD in immunology from medical school at the National University of Singapore. We aim at developing antibodies to interact with chosen immune checkpoints proven to play an important role in the development of cancer. We use our own phage antibody library, which is fully canine library and thus ideal to make antibodies for use in dogs.
My studies will help to define a novel role of PD-1 that is presently known to act as a brake to the immune system and is a target for immunotherapy. As in some patients, immunotherapy implementation result in moderate to no effect or make patient condition even worse, our discovery may be a groundbreaking result that will affect many patients treated with PD-1 immunotherapy. Interestingly, I use canine cells as a model of bone cancer that strongly resemble human disease and potentially will be beneficial for both species.